As of now, we jump to grades and we see so that we have a course and we find the grade difference. So that if we get consistent data everywhere and we see that that is good enough to make a judgment, then we will not go further. That's what
vibration they can the velocity, based on the velocity they take what is the all that bore is meant for only the quality of structure. Quality of the structure. This red color line on this. This red color line is second pan line. Okay. This upstream side and second pan upstream side. Again downstream side. They join them. So it forms a point. So we call it cutoff wall because we do not want water coming from the surface. Should pass by taking the soil.
సైడ్ కన్నా అసలు సార్ నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్ మేము నిన్న వచ్చాం సార్ ఇక్కడ మేము జీపీఆర్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం అక్కడ ఎస్ఎల్బిసి దగ్గర చేసాం సార్ అలాగే జీపీఆర్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసిన ఎస్ఎల్బిసి దగ్గర ఇదేంటంటే నాన్ ఇన్వేజివ్ మనం డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ 20 మీటర్స్ వరకు మనం చూడగలుగుతాం ఏమేమి చూస్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది క్యావిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి ట్రాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనం ఈ సిస్టమ్ని ఏం డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా సెటప్ని ఏం డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా చేస్తున్నాం అలాగే ఇక్కడ పెట్టింది సార్ ఇది సైస్మిక్ మెథడ్ అనుకుంటుంది సైస్మిక్ మెథడ్ అంటే ఇది మల్టీ ఛానల్ అనాలిసిస్ ఆఫ్ సర్ఫేస్ సార్ దీనికోసం ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక డిస్టెన్స్ అక్కడ ఒక హ్యామర్ ఉంది సార్ ఆ హ్యామర్ తోటి ఒకటి సార్ ఆ హ్యామర్ తర్వాత ఆ హ్యామర్ తోటి చిన్న డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇవన్నీ కూడా జియో ఫోన్ లేపు చూపించు సార్ అది రికార్డ్ చేస్తుంది చిన్న జియో ఫోన్ అలాంటివి మేము ఏంటంటే ఈ చివరి నుంచి ఆ చివరికి దాదాపు 110 మీటర్స్ వరకు కూడా ఇక్కడ ప్లాన్ చేసాం 2 మీటర్స్ ఇంటర్వెల్ తోటి దీని ప్రకారంగా మనం ఏంటంటే సైస్మిక్ ఆ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఇందులో సార్ దిస్ ఈస్ MASW సార్ దిస్ ఈస్ మల్టీ ఛానల్ ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ NCR CSIR NCRI సో దిస్ వీఆర్ క్యారింగ్ అవుట్ టు సీ అప్ టు a depth of 30 meters. This is basically that is to know the shear wave velocities. This is best for civil engineers to know the shear wave velocities. With this we are generating artificially with a hammer we are generating a trigger pulse. With the trigger then we have established you can see that yellow box at the end and then one yellow box here. Each yellow box can take 24 channels. So like that 48 channels that means 48 into 2 96 meters at a time I am scanning inside the ground up to a depth of 30 meters. So whatever that is getting recorded in my system. With that wave velocities, because different waves will travel with different velocities, so that with the wave velocities we will see what kind of loose material is. Let's understand. How many? What is our issue? As of now, sir, we only came yesterday night and then we took some sample record. We are getting some low velocity at one place, so that we can show in the system. So this is when we are doing this, I request you whatever the drill hole which were done earlier, kindly also take them for the confirmatory because we are doing geophysical. Yes, we need it confirmative. Sure. Confirmation also by either drilling or by having the actual data. Yes. So now those bore holes are actually we are having certain pores and so you just re-examine all those things. Yes, sir. Actually, as per the analysis that we are actually having the 3 meters of sand which You see that 3 meters of sand in my GPR also, and here also. Then after that, whatever that GI, that ground improvement that they did, like the concrete, that also we have seen. And below that, whatever the clay is, clay material that we have seen. And up to 30 to 40 meters, that is beyond this, that is 7 meters, that we can show it clearly. Then after that, we are getting at one side 30 meters and at other side 40 meters of hot. So that probably we can show when we go to that. Sir, actually this we are integrating with the crossover. CWPR is doing the crossover surveys and then the drone electromagnetic survey and the GPR survey. All these things we will integrate. One profile released by
So they are working on that part. They are going to do 3. So my friend is working on that. So they have replied. So next few days they are going to improve per day 3 each mission. Today each mission is doing 1. They are improving that. Next few days they are going to improve up to 3 per day. So within a month they are going to do with the 20-30 missions. We are getting
about 75 machines.
75 missions are going to come. All over India they are collecting all these machines. So he is the actual manufacturer of all those machines. We are supplied all over India. Now we are asking them to come back to do the job in Warford. So next 1 month, whatever our requirement. Yes.
So this is the real-time monitor. Whatever the sensors, the response, we are taking continuously. When they are hitting the hammer, at that time, from that period onwards, this record will appear. This one will save and will process the whole. Final output will be in terms of shear wave velocity. Yesterday we run 2 test records. Like this it is coming for 48 meters. We taken every 6 meters while record.
This blue and green or what?
This blue one is the low velocity.
No, blue is lowest.
These are the patches which they put the underground, which are having a very low stress. So either water
If
can
water
pass
force
through
is
it.
going to come, it is going to.
So when we construct actually a slab over it, before casting that slab, we strengthen the ground.
Okay.
So if we strengthen, we get all these kind of velocity.
It is higher velocities we can see.
Which is missing, but this is not very unusual. It happens in such
In riverbed it is quite common.
It's
quite-
Velocities are also
Our
400.
point is, because these all big constructions are taking place, these sort of tests have not been conducted.
That is now we are looking
Not
at.
conducted.
One more thing, sir. What you said is overall 4 test is more than exactly compared to superimpose the 2 things. Same section.
Confirmatory
That is very, very important.
Okay.
Borewell is the final.
Yes,
that is the exact
that is the
test.
ground truth. Actual
This
ground truth.
sometimes
This is the measurement.
I heard
what
about
we are
it, I know
taking.
about
Yeah,
it.
they are
Sometimes it's up and down. It
Yes,
comes.
yes, yes.
This is not final.
They are not the confirmatory tests.
Yes, yes. My